So I had 2 does set to kindle today, and they're both seasoned. They both had litters, proven does. I worked today. Here we are about 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm out here to check on them and see what's going on. And I'm going to show you what's happened because this is new to me. Never had this happen before. Take a look. Sensitive to death and guts. Probably don't want to watch this. If you want to see real life farm stuff, give it a watch. This is Marcia. She recently kindled 6 babies, raised them out, healthy, great, wonderful. This is the situation going on here. 2 dead right there, and a box full of dead ones. No clue what's going on. The temperatures are cold, but that's never messed with our rabbits before. Unless maybe, these 2 I could see being cold, but in the box, never. Not sure what's happening there. And this is the scary one. Annie has had several litters for us successfully. And never have we seen anything like this. An arm eaten off of that one. This one's all mutilated. That one's head's out the side and a foot out the bottom. One here, and there's some in the box. All dead. Afterbirth on the ground. Never have we ever had anything like this happen. Not for sure what's going on. All I know is I can rebreed them today, and we'll see what happens 28 to 35 days from now. But in all my time, never have I had this. Never. And both, like I said, both of them seasoned moms. Not for sure if it's the sheep around us. Maybe the sheep could have scared them. The chickens aren't even free ranging. I put them up last night. Don't know. So I'm going to film how I clean this up. I was in panic and kept saying, Brad, what do I do? He's like, well, put them in a bucket. So I've got a glove and I'm going to put on because some of them are kind of gutty. I don't want to touch that. And I'm going to put them in a bucket and we will compost them. Eight babies. So I will come back with a cardboard box and gather that fur from in there because it's relatively clean and I can use it in case someone else kindles and they don't pull enough fur. Or Marcia kindles again and needs more fur, or just clean bedding. You can use it for clean bedding when they're still in the nest box and you need to add some bedding in. But I'll show you these guys. There were 8 of them. All cold and dead. Annie has gone back in her box. I don't know, maybe she's in denial about what's happened. I don't know. We've not seen any signs of rats. I've been out here at dark, not seen rats. Not sure. All right, Annie, I'm gonna move this box so that I can clean up in here. Can you move, please? One, 2. Ugh, it's gross. 3. Uh-oh, I can't get this one out. Its head is stuck. Shoot, I put the glove on the wrong hand and try. Oh, 4. This is awful. Five. Looks like she just had 5. Let's go around in here. Oh no, there's another one. Make sure you test your texture. Ew, oh my gosh. It's like a bulging black eye. Six, look at that. Oh, Annie, you're in the way. I don't know if you can see it, the lighting's probably bad. Oh. Okay, so she just had the 6. Which is a small litter for her. That's probably her smallest litter yet. What a doozy. What a doozy. I'm sitting here thinking, what would I tell someone who sent me a message and had this problem? I would ask them if there was any changes in the environment that would cause the mothers to abandon the nest like so. You hear those sheep? That kind of makes me wonder if they were stressed. But they've been over there, what, 2 weeks now? Don't know. The other thing I would ask was, a predator in the coop, which I suppose could have happened. Maybe there was someone that visited last night. Maybe the baby stayed with mama too long and she wasn't ready to take on a new litter. I weaned them, maybe a week ago. 5 days ago, maybe. But I've done that before without issues. I don't know. I'm a little stumped. With them being half eaten, that makes me think maybe a rat was in here. And this cage, Annie's cage with the rat eaten, it wasn't sealed up all the way, so a rat could have got in there. It's just odd since we've not seen it. We do have dogs. Oh, Brad, the dogs.
What about the dogs?
The dogs barking could have scared them. Barking dogs can be scary. I don't know. These are the things I would have probably asked if someone sent me this message. These are the things I would have pondered. Is the sheep, the dogs, a predator in the barn. To cause them to be stressed, kind of abandoned. Marsha's nest just looked kind of abandoned, like she didn't care. She pulled the fur, did nature's thing, but then for some reason felt the need to abandon them. Now Annie, I don't know with Annie. And her placenta is through the cage. So she had some of them on the wire, evidently. I don't know, but today we lost 6 + 8, 14 kits. And I'm supposed to be teaching you how to raise rabbits. Oh, first time, right? First time for everything. Chance to learn. Chance to kind of think through maybe what caused it. Well, time to get them breeding again. She may not be ready. But they say they're really fertile right after kindling. I'll try again tomorrow if this is a fight. She lifted all right. I'm gonna go ahead and start writing it on the calendar. We'll see if they do some more. She lifted. Normal sound. Normal sound. So one thing I'm gonna do to kind of test to see what the problem was is we're gonna put some rat bait up in this room and observe if it's eaten. We use rat bait occasionally. We do have a cat that does pretty good and has mostly taken care of things the past 2 years, but just with this super bizarre happenstance, I've got to find, to the best of my knowledge, what happened. And so I use the rat baits that's in the box with the hole in the middle. We're going to put them on a hanger and put them in the corner of the room here just to see if maybe the rats got in and got it. I don't know. I don't know what my gut's telling me, but I'm not 100% sure what on earth went on today. Here they all are. Super bummed, super sad day. I will freeze these sometimes and save them for other animals to eat. With it being so many today, I am just going to compost them. This one looks like a color I have never had before. So beautiful. It looks like a chocolatey color. Very sad about that. And maybe it's just red and I don't know. I was gonna say in blue from being cold, but I think it was chocolatey. It's a rabbit placenta. Oh, look, breeding the wrong way. Harry, wrong way. But I'm gonna scoop this up and compost it with the whatchamacallit, dead kits. And to ease your wondering mind, that's what that is. They normally eat it. Which, to me, this being fallen through the cage means the babies were also born on the cage, which means she wasn't having them in the box like she should have. I don't know why this placenta would be out and on the ground if she was doing things like she was normally doing, which was having the babies in the box and eating the placenta out of the box. So, some more clues and hints to the situation. I'm all over the board. I don't know what to think, but I do know what I know. And that's what I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna look at this as a learning opportunity to learn and hopefully help others learn too. But for now, this mystery is still unsolved. If you have any other ideas or thoughts on this situation today, feel free to leave them in the comments. As always, be nice, be helpful, be educational, and if I come up with an answer, I'll have to do another video to let you know what it is. If you want to see what I figure out, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so that others can learn along with us. Until next time, eat more rabbit. Wow, can't be too happy right now. It's a bad day, but that is how I end my videos. You hear that? These dogs fight over their food. Could that be what scared them?